What's up, Lions? It's your boy Twin Salvador. It's been a while since I made a video. I just want you guys to know that I've been very busy. I'm lifeguarding right now, and this week alone I got 47 hours. This summer is grind season. I just need to save up money. I want to buy a computer so I can edit at home. It'll make life a lot easier. So guys, in this video we're going to be determining what your hair type is and what my hair type is, because I don't know what my hair type is. So yeah, hopefully you guys will learn something new today. So in order to determine your hair type, first we're gonna look at this scale right here. It seems kind of self-explanatory, it seems pretty simple, but it gets a little more complex, and I'm gonna be explaining it in this video. So the numbers in the scale determines if you have straight, wavy, curly, or kinky hair. That's what the number determines. So, and then the letters are the subcategories. There's two parts of the subcategory. So first you got the density of your hair, and you got the thickness of your hair. So first let's talk about the density of your hair. So the density of your hair measures like how many hair follicles you have in your hair. Thin means your hair follicles are more spread out. Medium is like your hair follicles are like medium. There's like some in between. And then thick is you have a whole bunch of hair follicles. Kind of like me, you can barely see my scalp. That means you have thick hair, okay? Hair thickness is different though. Hair thickness is like each individual hair strand. So you have to like literally grab one piece of hair. And by looking at that one piece of hair, do you think it's coarse? Coarse means like super thick. Do you think it's medium? Or do you think it's fine? Fine means thin. And me personally, I think my hair strands are not thick, honestly. I know like people say I have thick hair, which my hair is pretty thick, but each individual piece of hair strand is not really that thick. I honestly think it's medium. The reason why my hair looks so like thick, it's because I just have a whole bunch of hair, like just a whole bunch of medium hair strands, like a whole bunch. It makes my hair look thick. So on the subcategory part, since my hair strand is medium, but my hair density is thick, so my hair type is either a 2B or a 2C. So I think I'm in the middle of a 2B and a 2C, like right in the middle, cause like my hair's like straight on some areas, but then like in other areas it's more curly for some reason. Like I don't know, like I have wavy / curly hair, and straight. It's like straight, wavy, and curly. And the thing about the hair type scale, it's always an estimate. There will be cases, yes, like, oh, this is exactly your hair type, but in most cases, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm in between this, and that's fine. And I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of people that are in the 2B hair type and the 2C hair type. Apparently, I'm in this hair type category. If you're like me, I got the wavy hair. And the thing about wavy hair, it can be a little tricky depending on how long your hair is. Because sometimes you can have loose waves, or sometimes you can have like tight waves. The thing about wavy hair is you don't know your hair is wavy until it's long. The reason is, if your hair is like this long, if your hair is wavy, it's just gonna slightly curve, you know what I mean? But if your hair is this long, you can see the wave more. That's the thing about wavy hair. Like me, I thought my hair was straight because my hair was always this long. But as you guys can see, it's like straight here, but then it starts to wave at the end. Like my hair has to be a certain length to look wavy, you know what I mean, guys? Like you can see the waves right here. Like it has to be a certain length to see the waves. That's the cool thing about wavy hair. It's important to know what hair type you have, guys, because every hair type is treated and managed differently. Like you can't really brush curly hair when it's dry, but you can brush straight hair when it's dry and stuff like that. So you have to know what hair type you're in. No matter what hair you have, a lot of people look good in different hairstyles, you know. There are people with straight hair that look really good with straight hair. There are people with curly hair that look really good with curly hair. Same thing with the wavy hair. They all look good in different ways. But anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. This video was pretty simple, just finding your hair type. And if you guys like this video, please smash that like button and let me know if you guys want me to make more hair type videos. Like for instance, if you want me to make a video for how to manage straight hair, how to manage wavy hair, how to manage curly hair, I can make 3 separate videos of how to manage each one. And comment down below what hair type you guys have. Do you have wavy hair, curly hair, straight hair, thick, medium, or thin hair? Subscribe, join the Lion Army. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Lion Army. Tell your friends about this channel. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, guys. The description is down below. And those of you guys that are still watching to this very moment, thank you guys ×2. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.